Hello friend, today I will demonstrate a short video on how to apply product onto your mid shaft. So where is your mid shaft? The mid shaft is the mid of your hair right here. So if you take your hand like this and you put your head down like that, all the way down, then all the hair that falls down, that is your mid shaft. So that means that you should only touch the mid shaft. Why? Because you don't want the scalp to be greasy. So you're going to apply whatever product works for you. Since I'm a licensed cosmetologist, I do get the privilege to have a lot of different products, but so do you. You can try small product, small sample, instead to get the big bottle. I will recommend it. So today I have Korean Rothschild product, and this is a cream that will protect from the heat. So if I decided to curl my hair or flat my hair or want to blow dry my hair and use any heat on my hair, this would be perfect. So you just want to put a little bit. I already had some. Rub it in your hand like this so you create some heat, and then apply to the mid shaft of your hair. And this what would stop the cuticle of the hair to expand. Since my hair is natural curly and wavy, if I let my hair expose it to the air, my hair will expand. So I do have to utilize a lot of product. I also utilize, today I have Korean Rothschild, I have the smoothing serum. So this I already have some. Put a little bit on the palm of your hand, rub it like this, and then apply to the mid shaft, just the way I do. And if you have long bangs, you want the end also to be covered with the product, because you want this to not be frizzy, and this would control the hair. But you can utilize any product that works for your hair, any product that is good and affordable. So I have this fruity from Garnier, that this is so old, but my friend, this actually works. So you just put a little bit. And since I have some product, and rub it in the palm of your hand, and then apply just to the mid shaft of your hair. And you can see that now your hair will not expand. But if you have natural curly and wavy hair, if you do not want your hair to expand, you will have to style your hair right away, because the cuticle of the hair, it will expand the minute the hair is exposed to the air. So you wanted to just comb the hair down like this, and then blow dry, style, curl, whatever. So this is the short video about how to apply the product to your mid shaft. And remember, your mid shaft is right here because it's the middle of your hair. So right here, that is your mid shaft. And just open your hand like this. There are many ways to smooth out the cuticle of your hair when your hair is natural curly and wavy. And the next video, I will demonstrate how you can smooth out and calm down the frizz from your hair without any heat, and just use your finger. So just watch the video. Pay attention to the left side. Look at the right side. This is the wrong brush. Why? Because this brush expands the cuticle of your hair. Now, if you just do this, you're massaging the scalp, but you also distribute the natural hair oil that is from your scalp all the way to the ends. And this not only calms your hair down, it also naturally smooths your hair. So this is, you have to work and work. Now, you want to use the palm of your hands or your finger, because you do not want to irritate your scalp, and you want it to really rub it so the natural oil from the scalp distributes all the way to the ends. Now, look at this side and look at this side. And now you can put your bangs down.